first like to apologize for the glare. I can't do much about it. I'm sorry. Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. It's another cleaning video. These are like the easiest videos for me to do just because it's something that I do like on a daily basis pretty much, and I love watching cleaning and organization videos all the time, so I get really inspired by watching other ones to like just do my own. So today we're gonna be doing my like nighttime cleaning routine. So things have changed a little bit since like my last like kind of cleaning like video that I did. So the way our routine works at night with our kids, we bathe them, put their pajamas on, you know, book, and then go to bed. So my husband always does bedtime like by himself. Like I help him put the kids into their pajamas, tuck them into bed, and then he like sits with them, you know, while they go to sleep. So he does that every night. So when he does that, I try to come downstairs. If we haven't already, there's times where we will kind of clean up before we head upstairs. That's something that I am kind of big on, is anytime we're gonna like leave a room or leave an area, like I like to generally pick up that room before we leave. So that goes for upstairs, like the office, our room, the kids' room, like anything like that. Well, you know how it is with families, with kids, you know, there's never enough time in the day. So a lot of the times I come back downstairs after tucking the kids in and my husband sits with them. I come back downstairs to like clean up, you know, not really like deep clean or anything like that, but just to like clean up. So in the morning I can wake up to a, you know, clean house, like 75% clean at least, and it's not like a total mess, because it just starts my day off like already like stressed out of like what I have to do and all of that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. It's this whole process should take me no more than like 15-20 minutes, like max. Hopefully you guys like this. If you guys want to see how I do my nighttime cleaning routine, just go ahead and keep on watching.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
I basically just pick everything up and put everything away. I don't wash dishes, I don't mop. I swept just because the floor was just like really bad. Yeah, it was just like a mess. So I did do that, which is an extra thing. I don't vacuum, I don't like wipe anything down. I kind of just dust off everything off the counters. And if there are dishes, it depends on how simple like the dishes are. If it's just like cups and plates and bowls, I'll just leave them in the sink. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little clean with me video. Hopefully you guys got some inspiration from this. Okay guys, time for me to go to bed. I'm gonna go throw this away and stick this in the sink.